One of the most amazing lots in Kismet Lakes. This is over half an acre with direct views of the fountain and located on the large lake. In addition, this property is outside of the gates and buyer can install fence and have private gate entrance, subject to city codes, if so desired. Property sides to a protected wetland area, so no neighbors on either side. There is a 3-car side entry garage with pavered circular drive. Featuring 3 bedrooms, all with their own bathroom and walk-in closet, a large den and a huge great room with tray ceilings and triple disappearing sliders to the outside lanai. The outside area is also huge and features a custom pool, spa, all-picture window screens, a summer kitchen and outdoor TV area. All tile floors, calcutta quartz and granite counters, a huge kitchen island and pantry, all impact windows and doors, and also includes a 500-gallon buried propane gas tank that runs the pool heater, gas stove and outdoor barbecue area. There are only 28 homes, all a half-acre or larger in Kismet Lakes. POA fees are $675 a quarter. Photos are of an existing home and for informational purposes only.